Okay, I'm kind of lying on my face on the aft bunk. What we're looking at here is the rudder post. Comes through a packing gland. This may need some service. I'll do a little research. We've got our brand new shiny exhaust hose here, which goes back to the transom. And we can see this dark stripe here that goes up to the exhaust fitting. That's because the previous fitting was threaded, which is not right for a hose. There'll always be some leakage, so it was leaking diesel fumes and yuck and soot right back into the bilge of the boat. Yuck.